all the measurements in this question if you see, and it is the question where it is telling you have to find it out the area of the shaded portion. So if you talk about area of the shaded portion, you will agree with me that there is no formula for finding out the area of shaded portion. There is no formula because it is a quadrilateral. देखो ये four sides are there. It is not a triangle. This is a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is a quadrilateral which is not a parallelogram, which is not a trapezium, which is not a rhombus, which is not a rectangle. So you don't have any formula to find it out area of this figure which is inside, which is shaded. So we can have another method of finding its area. Can you tell me what can be the another way of finding this area? Can you guess? अगर मुझे फॉर्मूला नहीं पता अंदर का तो क्या कोई अनदर वे है जिसको जिससे हम ये एरिया निकाल सके? Tell me, think. Is there any way? Okay, चलो हम बताते हैं. तो अगर हम इस बड़े वाले रेक्टेंगल में से, ये बड़े वाले रेक्टेंगल में से अगर मैं इस दोनों पोर्शन को अगर निकाल दूं, which is the triangle, this is the triangle, this is again a triangle. So if I remove both of this figure from this whole rectangle, do you agree this portion will only come जो कि shaded है? Tell me, yes or no?
Yes,
ठीक है. हाँ, अगर इस क्वेश्चन में से अगर मैंने इस पोर्शन को बाहर निकाल दिया, इस पोर्शन को बाहर निकाल दिया, तो केवल इतना बचेगा which is shaded, and I know that this is a triangle and this is also a triangle, and I know the formula very easily. ठीक है, हमें पहले से फॉर्मूला पता है. which is the formula? 1/2 base into height, which is the area of triangle. तो पहले एक काम करते हैं, हम लोग दोनों तरफ के ट्राइंगल का पहले एरिया निकालते हैं. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल? EAF. EAF. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला इट विल गिव इट टू यू 1/2. बेस मतलब कितना हो गया? 10. और हाइट कितनी हो गई? 6. अगर आप इसको हाइट को 6 रखो और इसको 10 रखो तब भी सही है. क्यों? क्योंकि दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. व्हाई इट इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल? कोई बता सकता है क्यों? Can you tell me why it is a right angle triangle? I told that it is a right angle triangle without telling that why it is a right angle triangle. Can you guess why it is a right angle triangle? Anyone can use their mind.
Ma'am, because it's formed on the border of a quadrilateral.
नहीं नहीं, और दिमाग लगाओ और सोचो. Why it is a right angle triangle? I have told without thinking. I told it is a. So base can be height, height can be base. बताओ सोचो. Which figure is this? Which figure is this?
Ma'am, please see.
According to the question, yes, correct. See, this is 18, this is 10 plus 8, 18. This is 6 plus 4, 10, this is 10. And you can see this is a parallel line also. This is a rectangle figure, beta. This is a figure which is called rectangle. And rectangle की सबसे बड़ी quality यही होती है कि each angle is of 90 degree. समझे? Each angle is 90 degree. तो ये भी 90, ये भी 90, तो बन गया ना right angle triangle. और राइट एंगल में ये 6 लिखो या 10 लिखो, यहाँ ये 10 लिखो या ये 6 लिखो, दोनों सही हैं. जब इसको सॉल्व करोगे इट विल गिव यू हियर 30. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल, फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल जो कि हमने इसको लिखा. नाउ अगेन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, इसका नाम ले लेते हैं. अब क्या नाम है? EBC. EBC. अगेन द सेम थिंग, 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट, 8 and 10. It will give us 40 centimeter square. Now we have found the area of both the triangles here. Now coming to the next thing, the bigger rectangle, जिसमें से हमको subtract करना है. तो bigger rectangle means area of rectangle ABCD, which is L into B only. And you can see this is 18 and that side it is 10. So 18 into 10. and 18 into 10 कितना होता है? It gives us 180 centimeter square. It gives us 180 centimeter square. Now area of shaded portion. So area of shaded portion कितना आ जाएगा? 180 minus 30 and 40 मिला करके. So it will give you 30 plus 40, which is 70. So 180 minus 70, which will give us 110 centimeter square. Now, what do you think? Understood or not? If not understood, please tell me. I will explain it to you once more. Tell me, understood or not? Okay. Anjali Arya has replied to me. What about rest of the students? Okay, Vamika is also written.